Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. The QA section this year round seemed to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question that we have seen been asked this year round. The one that has been presented to us have been pretty difficult. That is, they required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve them, and also in return they were more time consuming and calculation intensive as well. So what we'll be doing in this particular video is that we'll be focusing ourselves on a few questions from the same, and then subsequently we'll try and solve the same, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so having said all of that, let us focus on the question at hand. P is the product of first 30 multiples of 30. N is the total number of factors of P. Okay, in how many ways N can be written as the product of two natural numbers such that the HCF of these two natural number is 19. Okay, so P is the product of first 30 multiple of 30. Okay, so this can be written as if I talk about P, can be written as say 30 into 60 into 90 into 120 into into 29 into 30 maybe, and say 30 square. Okay, so I'm just writing 30 into 30. So let me represent the same as 30 into 1 into 30 into 2 into 30 into 3 into 30 into 4 into 30 into 30. Okay, so if I take all the 30s common over here, so we have 30 to the power 30, and 1 into 2 into 3 to 4 till 30, we have 30 factorial. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Now let me represent the same in terms of its basic prime factors. Okay, so now total, if we take this number, let me give you an example, 3 to the power 30. So this can be written as 2 to the power 30 into 3 to the power 30 into 5 to the power 30. Yes, it can be written in this way. And in 30 factorials, the highest power of 2 would simply be 15 by 2, 7 by 2 and 1. So 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 26. So 30 in here plus 26 in here, it gives us 2 to the power 56. Similarly, if we calculate for 3, it comes out to be 3 to the power 44. If we calculate for 5, it comes out with 5 to the power 27. 7 comes out to be 4, 11 comes out to be 2, 13 comes out to be 2, 17 into 19 into 23 into 29. All this 111. Okay, so this is what we actually have. Okay, let me get rid of this. So simply how we got all of this numbers, we simply use the same method we used to figure out for the 2 as well. Now in how many what we have, n is the total number of factors of p. So if we talk about n, so n will be 56 plus 1, that is 57, 44 plus 1, that is 45, 37 plus 1, that is 38, 7 plus 1, that is 5, 2 plus 1, that is 3, again 2 plus 1, that is 3. Oh, n is the product, right? Sorry, my bad. N is the product into 38 into 5 into 3 into 3, and for the rest these things we have 2 2 2 2, so into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this can be written as if we break everything down, so what we will have is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 square into 19 square. Okay, so this, now what else we have, can be written as a product of such, the HCF of this natural number is 19. Okay, so HCF, it's given 19. Okay, so therefore let two numbers be 19A and 19B. Okay, so these are two numbers where A and B are basically prime to each other. So therefore what we can write is that 19A into 19B, this can be equal to n, which is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 square into 19 square. Okay, this is what we have. So therefore a 19 square, let me just cancel this 19 square out. So therefore A into B can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 square. Okay, so this is what we actually have for us. Okay, so now if we talk about the possible pairs, for A comma B, we can actually get pairs like say 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 square comma 1. Okay, 2 to the power 5 comma 3 to the power 5 into 5 square. Okay, for subsequently we can have say something like 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 comma 2 square, and again 2 to the power 5 into 5 square comma 3 to the power 5. So we have these four pairs. Okay, so therefore n can be written as the product of two numbers such that their HCF is 19 in 4 ways. Okay, basically these 4 ways and 4. Okay, so 4 will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you with regards to the approach of the same, with regards to the way we tackle these questions in general. Hopefully everything is clear. So in case you have any doubt with respect to how we came about with the solution of the same, kindly go through the video multiple times. That should give you plenty of insights on the approach involved as well. So please feel free to go through and subsequently solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference. Okay, so now having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that you can go through the description section where you'll find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email addresses, our numbers for call, text or WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us in any of this medium, whichever is convenient to you, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. If you have any doubt with respect to any competitive exam preparation, if you need guidance or help or strategy for the same as well, feel free to let us know about that as well. And also if you are looking for any subject or topic wise help on which you feel you need our expertise for the explanation of the same, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards as well. Okay, now having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that being said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.